Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Since Thanksgiving week was around the corner and all the online fashion websites were offering great deals, claiming Black Friday sales and all, since Koovs being my favorite online fashion website, I thought of putting my hands on all the deals which were going on Koovs. Like there were various deals like flat 50%, flat 60%, etc. And they were changing like every day basis, or some were changing every 12-hour basis. So I thought of buying few jackets and all, since winter seasons are around the corners. So this is basically a haul video where I would be sharing all the outfits and all the jackets which I purchased from koovs.com. So without any further ado, let's get into my haul video. So first things first, I got this black blue Saint shirt. You can wear it as a shirt as well as a jacket. It has a nice zip detailing. See, and it is overall black and it has a white polka dots print, and it retailed actually for 1300, but I got it for 750 rupees. Next up is this beige jacket. This is having like an army print jacket, and it was for flat 70% discount. I got it for just 300 rupees, whereas it retailed for about 1000 or 1200 rupees. Next up is this white jacket. It is plain white jacket and perfect for the winters. Though it doesn't get that cold in Mumbai, hence it has a very light material, like it's not that heavy on body when you wear it, and it costed me about 500 rupees, but it retailed for 1300 rupees, and it's perfect for Sunday lunch. Next up is this denim jacket. Now this is a shirt cum jacket. It has a golden zip detailing and it retailed for 2000 rupees, but I got it for a flat 900 rupees. So it's really nice. You can pair it up with a light blue or dark blue denims, and denim on denims is quite on trend. So it is perfect for a everyday college outfit as well as regular days outfit as well. Next up is this spring break jacket. Now the speciality of this jacket is it can be used as a raincoat as well, because it is having that kind of material which is there for wind cheaters and all. And the basic thing is that when you wear this, you won't feel that hot or etc. So it's having nice woolen sleeves, little bit wool is there on the sleeves, grey sleeves, and it's having a leaf structure on overall body of the jacket. And see, this is how it looks. And it retailed for about a 1200 rupee, but I got it for 350 or 400. Next up is this really heavy woolen jacket. Now this is for this is perfect for if you are planning for a tour in northern side, because in North India it gets really cold, and it's perfect for those kind of weathers. And it is of Bloch brand, and it is really thick woolen material. You can even use it in Mumbai during the season when it gets really cold or chilly. During nights you can wear it as your plain regular jackets as well. And it retailed for again over 1000 rupees, but I got it for 300 or 350. All the details would be there in the description box. Next up is this off-white colored jacket. It's from the brand Sticks and Stones, and it retailed for 1495, and I got it for flat 50% off on it. And it is quite oversized. When you don't feel like wearing anything like dressing up and all, you can just wear a black or white inner and just pair it up with the denims and all, and this will give a nice snazzy look. Next up is this jacket. This is a sleeveless denim grey colored jacket, and it retailed for about 1200 rupees, and I got for flat 50% off. And it had a blue color as well, but that was not available in my size, and the blue color was better than grey, but this is also very nice. if you have a full white colored shirt or t-shirt, you can just wear it, and over and above that you can just pair this denim jacket, which will just snazz up your outfit. Next up is this camouflage kimono. It is a kimono jacket. Basically it have buttons, but it's nice camouflage printed, and you can just wear a black inner inside or a sleeveless shirt or t-shirt, whatever, and you can just pair this up on a lazy Sunday lunch, dinners, etc., and this will just snazz up your outfit. This is a jacket, and it retailed for 1595, and I got it at flat 60 or 70% off. Next up is this shirt from the brand Sticks and Stones again, and it's a denim shirt. You can also pair it up as a denim jacket, and it's really very nice and comfortable. When you wear it, you will feel that cozy, comfy feeling, and it's really nice, and it retailed for about 1000 rupees, and I got it at flat 50% off. See, and for the wardrobe of boys, you can never fall short of blues and blacks. So how much ever you have the blues and blacks, they would be less only. See, this is the jacket or shirt, whatever. You can pair it up as per your choice. Next up is this white cardigan. It is really long in length. Yeah, it is having a zip. You can just pair it up with a black inner inside, and inner in the sense the black sleeveless which you get, and it is having a hoodie as well, and it's really light in weight. Like, the material is really very light, so you can wear it in summers as well and you won't feel that hot. And it retailed for about 700 or 800, but I got it at flat 50% off. Next up is this Coofs bomber shirt, jacket, whatever you call it, and I got it for flat 50% off. And it actually had 3 colors, but the remaining 2 colors were not available in my size. It had a blue and a black as well, so I got this purple, dark purple color. It's really nice bomber shirt. You can also pair it up like a jacket. So last but not the least, this jacket which I am wearing, it's a denim jacket. I purchased this recently from the Black Friday sale as well, and it retailed for about 1200 rupees, and I got it for flat 50% off, and it was really a steal deal. So if you like this haul video of mine, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.